You must see this no-step zero threshold condo. With 2 bedrooms, 1 full primary bathroom, and a 3/4 guest bathroom in the private Festival Square's 55-plus community. Wonderful picturesque views of a protected greenbelt, spring-fed pond, and abundant wildlife. Enjoy a light-filled living space with large picture windows framing the peaceful scenery and pond. Owners have installed new laminate hardwood, vinyl, plush carpet, and fresh interior paint throughout. The primary suite offers 2 large closets, an ensuite west/full bath and shower, plus an additional 3/4 guest bath and a separate laundry area. Financially stable condo association with well-maintained buildings and affordable homeowner association dues. Enjoy the clubhouse, walking trails, plus easy access to nearby shopping, medical facilities, and parks. Private covered carport with assigned convenient storage space also included in the purchase of this wonderful property.